Our lesson today is about the pronunciation of the vowel sounds or the diphthong sounds. I will read the sound of the vowel or diphthong for you, and then I will go over a list with the sounds in the Pennsylvania Dutch language word, and then what it sounds like in an English word. So let's begin. Wie sagt Marcel? How do we say that? I'll give you one example. Sei gut. EI sounds like I. So let's go over this list. We'll begin with the short A, which is ah, ah. The next one is a double A, a long A, which is aw, aw. The next one is AE, which is long, A, A. The next one is a combination AE, which is a short sound, ah, ah. The next one is a long E, A, A. The next one is a short E, eh, eh. The next one is a long I, E, E. The next one is a short I, I, I. The next is a long O, O, O. The next one is a short O, uh, uh. The next one is a long U, oo, oo. The next one is a short U, uh, uh. And then the diphthong sound of AU is ow, ow. The next one is EI, which sounds like I. And the OI sound, which sounds like oi, oi. Okay, so we're going to go over these again. Ah, aw, a, ah, a, eh, e, I, o, oo, ow, I, and oi. Now we'll go over the list. Lacha means to laugh, and it sounds like the A in wash. Ah. The next double A sound, which is aw, in the word sog, to say. That's say. Sog is say. Sounds like the English word paw. The next one is the AE sound, which is long. A, like in the word bear, which is bear, and sounds like the EA in the English word pear. And then AE, which is short, pashing, which is a peach, and it sounds like the A in crash, The next one is a long E, A, in the word stehe, which means to stand, and it sounds like the English word say, like the long A in say. So the long E sounds like a long A. The short E in the word bet. Bet is a bed, and it sounds like the short E in the word met in English. And then we have the long I, dear, which is you, plural, and it sounds like the word be, E, dear, E. Then we have the short I, like in the word Iva, which is over, and it sounds like the short I in the English word sit. Then we have the long O, which sounds like O in the word spot, which means late, and it sounds like the OA in the word coat. Then we have the short O in the word stolz, stolz, which means proud, and it sounds like the short U in the English word pup. Then we go to the long U in the word hoot, which is a hat, hoot, and it sounds like the double O in the word boot in English. Then we come to the short U, like in the word cum, which means come. Sounds like the double O in the English word brook, Then we come to the diphthongs of AU, like in the word auf, which means on, ow. And it sounds like the English word now or the English word out. It sounds like an OW or an OU in English. And then the diphthong EI, which sounds like I. And the word weiß, which means white, sounds like the long I in the English word nice. I, EI, sounds like I. And then we come to the last diphthong OI, which sounds like oi. Oyer, those are eggs. Sounds like the OI in the English word soil, or in the OY sound of toy. Oi. OI sounds like oi. So there you have it. These are the vowel sounds, the diphthong sounds, the vowel combination sounds, and hopefully when you read these in a Pennsylvania Dutch book or some kind of print, you will be able to pronounce them properly. Hopefully you practice them well and learn them. It will help you tremendously when you are trying to master the Pennsylvania Dutch language. This lesson was brought to you by Easy Deitsch. Until next time, Mach's gut.